Hi guys, my name is Melissa Fiorentino. We're here at the YouTube building in New York City, and I wanted to show you guys how beautiful her hair is with this beautiful pink color mount. And it's actually not real. It's just a band, and this is the only tool that you need to put it in. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to take out, just like that. Now she does have the 18 to 20 hothead extensions in, but as you know, us hothead junkies can't stop there. We love to add these bands in. The biggest question that I get is, can I wear this band every single day? And honestly, if you're gonna wear it every day, you really should just get the tape-ins. This is great for a pop of color. This is great to add in for a little extra length or thickness if you wanna do a cool braid or an updo. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put this in. You keep the hair nice and brushed cleanly, the part where you want it. You're gonna place it right on top of the head. Tug lightly down, shimmy it down. You're gonna take your Hotheads comb, and all you're gonna do is lift up lightly and brush right over. I mean, how great is this that we can color the hair without any chemicals, which is great for our blondes that we all know are nervous to add a little color, but they need to change. This is a great way to change it for the weekend, for a bachelorette party, a wedding, any kind of event. Now, you want to make sure after a few uses, I would say 3, you take this out and use our shampoo and conditioner. We have a cleansing shampoo, because remember, this is secondary hair, so it's not getting the proper nutrients that it needs. And we have a moisturizing conditioner that's going to keep it looking nice and natural and moisturized. Look how beautiful that is. You want to make sure after you take it out, you're brushing it from the bottom and working your way up gently. And that's it. Under 5 minutes, and you have this beautiful soft pink, and you wouldn't even know that it's not hers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow Hotheads and follow me at Hair by Melissa Fiorentino.